welcome back to Man on a Ledge.
Man on a ledge, smoking and drinking.
Actually, yeah, that's probably not the best place to be after having done all those things.
Do a flip! Why didn't you catch it? Why didn't you?
Yeah. That's not what I'm supposed to do, Chris.
You're supposed to get the eggs, I knew.
Alright, let's see here. Let's try to find... what's that?
It's dominoes.
Oh, right, the mouthpiece.
Oh,
Because you pick up everything. It's an adventure game, Manny. God.
I'm sure he doesn't know.
Sure he knows. Alright, we need this. What? Yep.
Are you going to use that as a hook?
Yep.
Oh. But then again, he was a dick to you, so...
Exactly.
I wonder if that's
that
how
makes it
dominoes
okay.
Yep.
If someone's a dick to you, you can treat them the same way.
And I believe... There we go. And now we just... Or do I... Okay, I have to click like this, I think. There we go.
Oh, God.
That's what I mean. It's a little bit, I mean... Sure, you know, just like... You'd think he'd be a little more nervous or something.
Nah, he's got balls of steel. Or
balls of calcium.
Yeah, I was about to say that. But no, you have to ruin it for everyone again.
Yep. Alright, let's see here.
Oh, look, there's loads of pigeons over there.
Oh, perfect. Oh, I'm just going to run over there.
It's like a dance, Humphrey.
There we go.
Are they going to attack you?
No, I mean, they're just pigeons, right?
You're welcome, Humphrey, for pressing the shift button with my foot.
Hey!
Oh, Jesus.
I don't like the looks of those pigeons.
Yeah, they're bone pigeons.
Shoot!
Shoot!
I don't have a net or a desire to have a pet pigeon.
Okay, I can't click through here. Here's something I can interact with.
I love how you're feigning
like
ignorance. Like, oh, look at this here over here.
To eat out of clean dishes that aren't nailed to the roof.
Well, let's see here.
What do we got?
Well, let's see. Maybe we can scare him away. Like Robert Frost.
What?
Probably scared him with Robert Frost.
How can you scare them with Robert Frost?
Maybe that will scare them. Eventually.
Are you going to poke it with something?
No, but maybe they'll poke it themselves. There we go.
Oh, of course.
Again, when I played this stuff the first time, it's not... You retry things all the time.
Yeah.
The annoying stuff with this, though, is if you fail it, you have to go back down to get more balloons and more bread.
Yeah.
Let's see... Oh, there we go, now it's happening. Yum, 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 yum. Boom. There we go.
That's not all of them.
Oh, now it is.
Okay.
We can't animate all that. Yeah, so much about...
Yeah, beat it, you lousy little ledge peckers.
Ledge pecker. That sounds dirty.
Ledge pecker.
Yep. Just a little leisurely stroll.
You want me to push shift again?
Nah, we're almost there.
You must come with me, young ones, for I am the Grim Reaper.
Oh, good time.
So is
I
he
only eat them poached.
the Grim Reaper or a Grim Reaper?
A Grim Reaper.
So basically when I die, I won't be seeing Manny?
Not necessarily.
I mean, maybe I could give him a good deal, you know.
I don't know, Chris. I don't want to list all your offenses here.
Hey.
I mean, amongst them actual offenses.
Not picking that up.
What?
I don't know, I was trying to be funny because, offenses, and then
Yeah.
I was trying to think something like you actually stole a fence or something like that. Or you were offensive, I don't know, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Are you sure doing a comedy series is the right thing for you?
Sure it is.
Okay. As long as you're sure.
Sure it is. I mean, Adult Swim is on the air. Why not me? There we go. Gotta laugh, gotta chuckle.
It's more of a pathetic snicker.
So I've had a pathetic snicker once, so I prefer Mars bars. But
This episode brought to you by Mars Bars. We actually went to school with the guy whose grandfather owns Mars.
Oh really?
The Mars company. Don't you remember? No, right, you didn't, because you came in 10th grade and he left.
Ah, there we go.
So, sorry, you were in 11th grade. Yeah, you were in 11th grade and he left in 10th grade. His name is Chris as well.
Hey!
Yeah.
Philadelphia.
Yeah, I remember
Good
him.
for dents, great for
We're
dentures.
Alright, this is gonna be a little gross.
We're what do we call it?
We have to go out here first so we aren't close to anything.
We're penis buddies. He and I.
Oh, okay.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know, but this is really gross. Ugh.
What did he do?
He filled his mouthpiece
Wow,
with the
that made a perfect
Philadelphia,
impression of my teeth.
bit into it, and now there's a perfect impression of his teeth.
Aftertaste, too.
Yeah, so.
It was gross, you know, because it's Domino's. He's had that in his mouth.
So they just made out. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of fan fiction about that.
So, there we go. I don't know, I don't think there's enough, come on.
Humphrey, you wouldn't be able to run that, so why do you expect Manny to? Just let me press the button with my foot.
Well, you're not doing it quick enough.
Well, because it's uncomfortable and my foot's cramping.
Alright, let's see here.
I wonder if Eva is looking at me right now.
Flex.
Flex
Agent
what?
Calavera, and to guess.
Hey, they're floating. It's floating in his hand. Yeah, now that's gonna come up.
Going on up.
Alright, let's see here then. Yeah, let's just hand these over to, I forgot his name. Salvador Limones, that's
Babies
right.
out.
Excellent, Manuel. With these, I can breed an entire army of winged messengers.
All be inbred, but whatever.
Revolution can spread now across the land, carried on the shimmering wings of justice, thanks to you,
Sweet.
Agent Calavera.
I myself would also like to spread across the land.
But you can't. We need your dental work here to access the computer. I am sorry, but freedom has its price.
Freedom.
I was just about
free.
to You beat it to it. Alright.
Team America. Oh yeah, give it to her. It's like, hey, you want to kiss this?
Yep.
Manny,
Well, she'll always
this
have a
looks
memory
like
of me
perfect
now.
impression of your teeth. We can use this as a mold to make a fake set of teeth and get into the computer system that way.
Good work, soldier. You are a friend of
So you
the
basically
revolution,
gave them a
Agent
reason
Calavera.
not
And
to
now,
Keep me alive?
keep me alive. Yeah.
No, but these are the good guys. They
let
don't
me
kill.
be of service to you.
You must go
There
to
we
the
go.
tunnel
Now he's
to
gonna save
Wakaba,
us.
my friend. You want to find your
Like I
lost
said, we're
soul.
about halfway through here.
I don't.
You mean halfway through the first day?
Everyone who
Yeah,
wants
yeah,
to
yeah,
get to
yeah.
the
Not the
underworld must cross the
entire
Sea of
game.
Lament,
No.
and therefore must go to
This is gonna
Ruwagaba
go
to
on
get
forever,
past
dude.
Actually, yeah, now that I'm thinking through it, this
How
next
many
stop
days
here
before
is,
You'll find
I mean, again, I know what to do, but there are some, how would you
Small
describe
details.
it?
Manuel,
There are some,
in love with her? Love? Love is for the
clunky
ladies,
things to do next.
I'm only after her for one
Well, you
reason.
need to kind of like do some trial and error,
Just might
some
pick it
weird
out.
controls.
Okay.
There we go. The petrified forest.
That was some tunnel. I'm all the way to the edge of the petrified forest.
Yeah, I just said that, Benny.
He can't hear you, man.
All right, can I look at this?
Ah, El Marrow, my hometown.
Like bone marrow.
May
Ah,
I never see
get
it
it.
again.
So funny.
Can I pick it up?
Not picking that up. Not going back there for a while.
All right then. So let's go over here.
No, but seriously, this is a problem when I play adventure games with Humphrey. Humphrey literally clicks on everything.
Gladys, my friend, why are you crying?
Maddie? Oh, Maddie! They fired me!
Stop feigning ignorance,
No,
man.
it's not ignorance. I'm just sad. Because it's
Me
sad.
too, buddy.
You don't understand, Maddie. I was created just to do that job. It's the
Become
only
a freelance
thing that
driver
makes
for me.
happy. It's like they reached into my
Oh, boy.
chest and pulled out my heart and threw it
The
into
fuck?
the woods to...
How did he do that without ripping his clothes?
Well, I'm thinking maybe it's like part of him, so it's not like clothes.
Gladys, what have you done? Oh, Gladys.
Are you?
Oh, it is pretty. These are pretty creepy.
What the hell?
Ugh, these spiders.
Do they have wings?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. The one thing that would make spiders scarier.
Alright, well, I guess next episode we're gonna try to find some spiders and squish them, huh?
Yep.
I just got.
Right.
I think someone just.
Oh, all right. well, you know, we'll see you guys at our door next time.